Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, video number 118. In this video, you could learn how to convert a phrase into a question. You can watch the first part of this in video number 10, and I have given you the link above. This is the second part, and I shall make another part to it so it becomes easier for you to understand as individual videos. For those of you new to this channel, you can check the 117 videos that I've already made, and you'll find the information and links in the description below. Tab, as usual, we have reached 118. I'm sure you're able to understand Tamil to a reasonable level now. You could logically ask a question by using words like where, when, why, how, who. But in the absence of that, the phrases in Tamil will take a sound at the end to make a sentence into a question. But there's another way to ask question through intonation that we shall see in the next video. It is always easier to frame a question with interrogative words like when, where, what, who, why, etc. But there's also another way to ask question, and that is to convert a statement to a question by adding a at the end. This implies to all the tenses, be it past tense, present, or future. Where are you going? Ni enga pora? It is easier here to understand because of where in the phrase. And without where, it will be just a statement, meaning you're going. Adding where makes it a question. It is similar in Tamil too, and that is why I have given two examples in each slide for you to understand it better. In the second phrase, are you going to go to your town? We are converting the phrase you are going to go or leave to your town. In English, we would simply do the inversion of you are to are you to make it a question. In Tamil, we would use the sound a at the end to achieve this. நீ ஊருக்கு போக போற is you're going to go to the town, and that becomes நீ ஊருக்கு போக போறியா as a question. So the ending sound a is the one that changes it into question. But there's another way too. We shall see that in the next video, so it becomes easier for you to concentrate one at a thing. நீ ஊருக்கு போக போறியா? To whom should I give? நான் யார்கிட்ட கொடுக்கணும்? Here, to whom? யார்கிட்ட makes it clear that it is a question. இதை நான் யார்கிட்டையாவது கொடுக்கணுமா? Should I give it to someone? இதை நான் யார்கிட்டையாவது கொடுக்கணுமா? I am making the sound a at the end for some effect and for you to clearly understand. இதை நான் யார்கிட்டையாவது கொடுக்கணுமா? When will the bus arrive? Bus எப்போ வரும்? And the next phrase with the a sound is, would the bus have arrived by now? Bus இந்நேரம் வந்திருக்குமா? Bus இந்நேரம் வந்திருக்குமா? What did dad say? அப்பா என்ன சொன்னாரு? And the next phrase is, did dad not tell anything? Dad, அப்பா உங்கிட்ட to you ஒன்றுமே சொல்லலையா? Did not tell anything. அப்பா உங்கிட்ட ஒன்றுமே சொல்லலையா? ஒன்றுமே means nothing at all. Who is it for? இது யாருக்கு? Is it for me? Shall I keep it? இது எனக்கா? நானே வச்சுக்கவா? There are two questions there, as you can see. இது எனக்கா? நானே வச்சுக்கவா? Is it for me? Shall I keep it? Who is it? Or who is there? யார் அது? யார் அங்க? Who is it there? Is it Suresh? Yaranga? Suresha? The name Suresh becomes Suresha to make that into a question. This is a slightly different tone and phrasing. The first one is wondering, and hence I have used exclamation and question mark. Who could speak? Yaar pesala? This shows they are still in a doubt on who could speak and they are still considering a few names. Would you be speaking like this? நீங்க போய் இப்படி பேசலாமா? This means you should not have. It is okay for others to have spoken like that, but you cannot. நீங்க போய் இப்படி பேசலாமா? Look at the tone and modulation I use, and you can understand it. It shows regret through questioning or a surprise and worry, anxiety, or whatever. நீங்க போய் இப்படி பேசலாமா? I hope you understand this technically quite well. Please go through the lessons for a second time as soon as you have learned so that it stays in your mind forever. Learn the language, keep doing mistakes. That is the perfect way of learning. Don't stress, learn quickly and start interacting. All the best. Vanakkam.